let's start the installation process. Okay, so in the installation process it is very simple, same like other installation softwares, where how we install. Double click on that setup. After double clicking, it will ask you like this, so you have to press yes. So it will start the installation process. So once it's start the installation process, you have to follow the steps. What are the steps it is following? What are the steps it is showing? You have to just follow the steps, basic steps, and it will be installed on your local PC. So let's see the installation process for the VMware. Will take a few minutes, so just wait for it. After installing the VMware, let's operating inside the Linux operating this VM. So here we have one to open it. So once it's got installed, we have to open this, and now on your screen you have already created. Okay, so let's come to home. So this is the home. It should be look like this when you install for the first time. So here, from here, we need to select create a new machine. So when you select the create a new machine, it will ask you a question like how you want to create a new virtual machine. Like typical, which created a workstation 16. Personalize all your steps. So as of now, we are going to select this typical, and we have to next. And after pressing the next button, this is the important step. So here you have either you have to select install disk. You can select this option. In our case, downloaded the Ubuntu application where you have download the ISO image of the Ubuntu operating system, and it will show Ubuntu desktop. This is the file detected. Okay, so this is the operating system file which we have downloaded. So if you want to select, I will do install operating system later, you select this one also, but the steps will be different. So as of now, we will select this. We have to give the operating system name like virtual Ubuntu OS. Okay, so and we have to give the username. Username will be sy technology. Password will be something, and password is the optional. You can give it or you can skip it. It doesn't matter. So after giving the password, you just have to press okay. So this should be lower letters. And you have to give the location where it has to be installed. So in our case, we are giving this this is as a location. We are selecting this file as a location, and we are giving this is the location where the operating system, this virtual operating system is going to install. So this is the location there our this virtual machine, virtual operating system use the storage, or it will be installed there. All the files and everything will be in that particular location. Okay, so just press next, and minimum 20 GB of hard disk is recommended. Okay, So if you want to increase, you can just increase the hard disk. It doesn't matter. Or you can store virtual disk as a single file or split file. So as of now, I'm selecting the single file. No need for the split files. If you want, you can go for a splitting file. Here it is showing splitting the disk. Make it easier to move the virtual machine to another computer, but maybe reduce performance with very last disk. So I'm selecting as a single file, and I will press next. Here it is showing the overview of the virtual machine. It is new Ubuntu OS. The location is F drive, and version is this, and the operating system is Ubuntu 64-bit. Hard disk we are giving 25 GB. Memory we are giving 2 GB RAM. This is network adapter, two CPU cores. Yeah, this is sound card, and this all by default it is taking. So if you want to personalize, you can just put and select what is the RAM you want to give, how many processors you want to give, and how many location, if you want network adapter, USB controller, whatever the details. If you want to make some changes, you can change from here. Otherwise, it is good to go. Okay, just press finish. So once you press the finish button, it will start creating the virtual machine. So now see, now it is creating the virtual machine in the VMware. And please support us, like our channel, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends so that they will also get some valuable knowledge, because this is the future. Cloud computing, DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, this is the future. So in this channel, we are going to talk about all this stuff. In upcoming videos, there will be so many latest technologies as well. So please like, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions or any kind of question, just write your comments. Thank you for the video, watching till here. We'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.